Hello students, welcome to one more session of your WOC. This is your Vani ma'am standing in front of you. Hello, Namaskaram, Vanakkam, Shastriyakal to all my wonderful students. Today we are on the last day of the year and beautiful. That is, if I have to tell you, Vani ma'am has come and stood in front of you to tell her resolution. Today I am going to reveal you my resolution, and in between you all know without a story nothing, there's no motivation video or there is nothing, isn't it? So today I'll be telling you one beautiful story that's the most favorite of mine. Next I'll be telling you what is my resolution. Watch the video till the end. Right students, so once again I'm just welcoming all the new students to the channel and all students who have been consistent with me since 3 years. You all know World of Chemistry is that channel which is giving or providing free education for grade 10, 11, 12, JEE as well as NEET students. In between, we also have a lot of motivational videos which will give you a pathway to what you decide or what is your target for. So today, as I said, as it is the most important day in our life and important thing, Vani ma'am is going to tell how actually what is the resolution which she has made for the upcoming 2021. Right students? So let us go with the story. Gradually I'll tell you. So always remember, this whole universe, whatever is there around us, on what does that depend on? Do you know that? Yes, that depends upon this human mind. Students, this human mind is an immense or a bundle of source of energy. Suppose today I'm standing in front of you, I'm talking to you, you are listening to me, right? So what is really communicating? The whole focus or the power of mind. That power of mind has a lot of thoughts which are created by us, correct? No? Mind is that source of energy which has a capacity to control the whole universe. In this power of mind, if you are creating a thought, okay, let us assume I'm creating a beautiful thought today, so the world around me also would be beautiful. If I'm creating a thought which has a lot of negativity, or if I'm creating a thought which has lot of things which with a lot of assumptions, which a lot of negates in that, what is going to happen? You're going to create a world which should be haphazard. Yes or no? Do you accept that? Obviously, if I have a pleasant mind, if I have a beautiful thought, my world would be beautiful. If I have an haphazard thought, the world which I create also would be haphazard. Unacademy, the biggest online platform, learning platform in India. Let's crack it. I'm Vani Potepalli, the verified educator for grade 12 students, CBSE, ICSE as well as state board students are with me. The upcoming classes which I'll be going to take are aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids. Along with that, solutions chapter would be done, and a revision series on board examination and how to crack board 2021. I'm going to give you a clear analysis of the revision series. And in the special classes, I would be taking 3 sessions continuously. That is how to learn chemistry in Telugu. It will be on the respective dates. And I'll also be taking a special class where you can plan it and you can just meet me on December 21st and 22nd. I'll be discussing what is the revision series, what is the revision strategy for board exam 2021. These are the Unacademy Plus subscription features where you have daily practice sessions, mock tests which are going on, live quizzes which will be going on, subjective test series coming soon. Join us. Unacademy iconic subscription features include personal mentors. You have live doubt clearing sessions. Weekly reports will be sent to the parents. Parent Connect, where the report will be sent to the parent and the educators are in contact with the parents too. A study planner is perfectly planned and all benefits of Plus also will come under iconic subscription. This is a class 11 subscription. Don't forget to use my referral code, that is Vani10 or Vani Life. This is the subscription rates you can go through. Grade 11 iconic subscription prices, that is again Vani 10, Vani Life. Note my referral code. Next comes your grade 12 subscription where prices are given. You have an option of 3 months and 6 months. Please try to use the code Vani 10 or Vani Life to get that 10% discount. Then comes the grade 12 iconic subscription, 6 months, very less amount. So you can take that particular thing, use my referral code Vani 10 and Vani. Unacademy introduces Unacademy Ascent competition. That's on January 10th. 2021. So it's an all-India championship for grades 6 to 12. Enroll it today students for free and win a scholarship of 5 lakhs.
A big amount, isn't it? So again, I'm mentioning the date. It's on Jan 10th, 2021. Enroll it for free. Why should you attempt the Unacademy Ascent All India Championship? Basically, it's a unique competition where all the subjects are conducted in one paper, and it's an all-in-one ranking where you can compare your progress for your exam preparation. It's a detailed performance report which will be given to you, and you can track your improvement areas. Scholarship worth 5 lakh plus. It's too much, isn't it, students? So here the exam duration is 1 hour, number of questions are 40, marks are 100. Syllabus is the entire NCERT Maths and Science syllabus. Prices would be rank 1 to 3 Unacademy plus 6 months CBSE subscription, and rank 4 to 10 would be Unacademy plus 1 month CBSE subscription. Avail this chance.
Do you agree with this? Okay, let me tell you a small story on this, and then you will only analyze what is the power of this mind. Yes, students, so one fine day there was a village. There was a sage who was walking slowly, step by step. He started going into some, he wanted to reach one more village. So what did he do? He was supposed to cross a forest. So when the sage started walking, after some time, it's quite common, isn't it? We walk for a longer time, we feel hungry and tired. So this sage started walking into the forest. After going to certain distance, he said, "Oh my God, I'm really feeling tired. Let me sit under this tree." Right, then what did the sage do? The sage sat under the tree. After some time, he just out of tiredness, he closed his eyes. And they said, and he just thought, he had a thought in his mind saying that, okay, now I have walked so long, hope I get some food to eat. So once he thinks like that and he closes his eyes, suddenly all the foods, all the tastiest foods in the world come and appear in front of him. The sage just opens his eyes and sees, wow, beautiful, all tasty, delicious food which he thought to have it. Everything is in front of him. Then he eats everything, his stomach is full. Then the sage again thinks, God, my stomach is full. Hope if I get any nice, drinks to have, any soft drinks to have, let me have certain beverages or drinks to have, and he'll just close his eyes. Suddenly all the food disappears and all the drinks, whatever he wants to have, everything appears in front of him. To his surprise, he thinks, oh my God, what is this? Food, my stomach is full. Drinks, I am not thirsty anymore. He thinks and he just sings, God, thank you so much. Then he just closes his eyes. He starts taking rest. Okay, students, after taking rest, suddenly in his sleep, he starts listening to sounds, from a lot of sounds from this direction, that direction, a lot of sounds, lot of disturbances. Then immediately he thinks it's a dream, and he says, okay, there are a lot of sounds. One small thought comes into his mind. What does he think? He thinks, oh my God, ghosts would have come around me. All the ghosts would have surrounded me. He thinks like that. One piece of thought, it has come into his mind. He opens his eyes and sees. What thought he has got? Ghost. Suddenly all the ghosts appear in front of him. To his surprise, he didn't know what to do. What does the mind think? Initially, it has thought food. Food has appeared. It has thought drinks. Drinks have appeared. It has thought ghost. Ghost has appeared. Then, what does he do? He is an sage alone in the forest. So he thinks he holds his both the hands close to his stomach. He sits and he thinks like this, God, please God. See, obviously when some harm is in front of us, we obviously pray God. So what did his mind think? He said, God, I think these ghosts are going to harm me. If his thought was like that, what would have happened? Ghost would have harmed him. Correct? No. See, his thought, whatever thought he had, that would have happened. He would have thought, God, ghost would harm me now. What should I do? But he didn't think like that. What he did? Human tendency, isn't it? When we get a situation, we don't assume. What we do? We start assuming things which are not going to happen. Immediately, the sage thought, God, these ghosts are going to kill me. That word, kill me, noted. The ghosts are going to kill me. What to do? That's all. The word of kill me has entered into his mind. I said, whatever you think, whatever you feel in that powerful mind, immediately what happened, students? All the ghosts came and immediately killed that sage then and there. So what is the moral of the story we should have? Remember, anything you manifest, in your mind, careful, everything goes, the world which you create, everything is in front of you. Yes or no? So the sage story teaches us a moral, the power of mind. Correct me, students? Whatever resolution you are taking in the upcoming years, let it be 2021, let it be 2050, whatever it is, your age goes, one year passes by. So that 20 resolution should be very, very pure. It should have a clear thought process in that. Okay, what problems do we have? What do we think? Whatever world is around us, it's not happening according to me. You get up early in the morning, you get up, okay, this is not happening according to me, that is not happening according to me. So you are creating a disturbance in your mind. Yes or no? Yes. So whatever you think in that power of mind, that is what is appearing in front of you. So what should you do? Remember, create a beautiful thought in that power of mind. Okay, ma'am, if I create, what is going to happen? Slowly from that mind, it is going to go. So when you create that beautiful thought, what is going to happen? You get that peace, you get that, serene environment. Okay, that is accepted. From there, where will it go? From the brain, it slowly goes to your body. Your body, if you are having that positive thought, your body also will be healthy. Correct, no? If your body is healthy, the emotions, or we call indirectly the hormones which are released, all the emotions what are released in those are also going to be, or those emotions which are released is going to create a sort of love and compassion with your family. Yes or no? Because today I'm happy, I feel like going and hugging my mother, I like hugging my friends, hugging my brother. Isn't it or not? Yes. Why? My thought has created a beautiful piece of this. From the brain, mind, it has come to a body. Body is healthy. From the body, it has come to the emotion. That has created a environment of love and compassion in the family. Then comes the word, the most important thing. What is that, students? Ecstasy and delight. Once you have that feel in your mind, everything would be a delight. Whomever you meet, they are happy. Whomever you spread that love, that is, they are happy. You are also happy. World is happy. Isn't it, students? So always remember, focus on one thing. What is that? What to think? That's your first question. How much should I think? That's the second question. How stable should I think? That is your third question. Okay, if I think stable, what would be the reverberance of that? Think like that. If you question all these four, you will be the beautiful person on this world. Remember, you know what Chanakya says? I always keep reading this Chanakya thoughts. Beautiful, he said. Great ideas should never be revealed. You know what he said? Great ideas or any project which you are accepting should never be revealed. What should be revealed? It means whatever work you are doing, do it in silence. Do it in silence. The final result is going to prove you. Got it, students? Don't tell everybody, I'm doing this, I'm doing. No. You are a student of 12th or you are a student of 10th, you are a student of JEE or NEET. Your whole year hard work, do tremendous hard work. Create beautiful thoughts. Ultimately, your hard work is shown in the result. Yes or no? Do you accept that? Yes. So remember, students, as Chanakya said, I keep noting that top secrets of hard work should not be revealed. Your success or your hard work shows in the result. Very good. So students, always, as I said, as a human being, we are born on this earth. Correct? I have to think about, because I'm a social being, I have to think about my family. First of all, I have to think about myself, where I'm growing as a human being. From which stage? From a completely, suppose your mind is disturbed today. Your mind is disturbed. So what should you do? Sit down, relax and think. Okay, what am I focusing? Am I thinking in this wrong way? What should I do to have stability in that thought? When this happens, from a confused state, you will come to a very stable and concise state. Remember, so you have to come from that state of confusion, come out of that first, then start taking decisions. Okay, students, so if I have to tell you the most important thing, if you really prove yourself and mold yourself like this, where, see, we all are fans of what? IPL seasons, IPL. Now I'll tell you a word called JPL. What is that JPL? J stands for joy. P stands for peace. L stands for love. So joy, peace, love and affection, if you fill all these in your life, as I said, the change will be phenomenal. You will be a beautiful person in upcoming years. So as I said, I'll be telling my resolution, yes. So as a human being, as I said, I have decided to serve for the students. WOC is that channel which is created for providing free education to students. So my resolution, whether it is 2021 or whether it is in future years, till I have energy, I'm going to support my students and provide free education. So that free education, providing free education, my whole family also works with me. Thank you so much for that. And students, I told my resolution. What is that? Once again repeating, providing free education for you all. One fine day, if you have become or succeeded in your life as a doctor, an engineer, a teacher or a professor, anything, you should again share your knowledge. Yes, education is that platform, that's the only thing, which we can share with others. Correct? No? We get that satisfaction. I get that immense satisfaction when I share that. So thank you so much, students. Once again, I am wishing you, all of you, a happy 2021 upcoming year. We all will pray for all those, for God has given us life to see that 2021. I really pray for all those souls who have left us because of this pandemic, but they are safe with God. And all of you, all the best. Vani ma'am signing off. Thank you so much and all the best for your upcoming exams. I'll be with you all, nothing to worry. Remember to say, I am the best. Thank you so much.